The T960 series combines dual-surface flexibility, rugged aluminum construction, and vivid 3840 HC visuals, making it ideal for commercial complexes, roadside billboards, and iconic building facades. With high brightness up to 9000 nits, IP65 all-weather protection, silk seams, and weatherproof gaskets, it delivers clear, eye-catching visuals even under direct sunlight, rain, or harsh climates. Front or rear access allows fast maintenance. Rear access for freestanding setups. Front access when the back is blocked. The rear cover opens tool-free in seconds, enabling quick inspections and part replacements. Durable, flexible, and maintenance-friendly, the T960 series delivers high-impact outdoor advertising with minimal effort.